Why couples lose attraction over time. At the beginning, attraction feels automatic, effortless, exciting, natural. But over time, for many couples, that feeling fades. And it is not random. It follows patterns, real, predictable patterns. First, familiarity. The brain is wired to respond to novelty. In the early stage, everything is new. New person, new experiences, new emotions. This creates a strong dopamine response. But over time, the brain adapts. What was once exciting becomes familiar, and familiar does not trigger the same intensity. This is not losing attraction. It is the brain doing its job. Second, routine. When relationships become predictable, same schedule, same patterns, same interactions, desire starts to drop. Because desire needs anticipation, and anticipation needs variation. Without it, the emotional and physical response becomes flat. Third, emotional disconnection. Attraction is not just physical, it is emotional. When communication weakens, when partners feel unheard, unseen, or unappreciated, the nervous system pulls back. And when emotional connection drops, physical attraction follows. Fourth, unresolved tension. Small issues ignored turn into quiet resentment, and resentment is one of the strongest attraction killers. Because the brain cannot feel safe and frustrated at the same time. And without safety, desire does not activate. Fifth, loss of individuality. In strong attraction, there is a balance, connection and separation. When both partners stop growing individually, stop bringing new energy, new experiences, new perspectives, the relationship becomes stagnant, and stagnation reduces attraction. Sixth, stress and lifestyle. Work pressure, poor sleep, mental overload. All of these reduce desire directly, because the body prioritizes survival over connection, and attraction is not a survival function. So it gets pushed down. Here is the truth. Couples do not lose attraction because something is wrong. They lose it because the conditions that created it are no longer present, and conditions can be rebuilt. Bring back novelty, change patterns, create new experiences together. Rebuild emotional connection. Talk honestly, listen fully, address tension early. Do not let small issues grow. And most importantly, keep growing as individuals. Because attraction is not something you find once. It is something you keep creating, again and again.